how to post on Instagram, upload photos and videos step by step. In order to post on Instagram, depends upon what you are going to post, whether you're trying to post a story, a normal post, or a reel or a video. Whatever the case, when you open the Instagram app, tap the plus icon located from the top left of the screen. Now let's choose what we want to post. If you want to select post, we will select post. If you want to select story, we will select story. If you want to select reel, we will select reel. For now, I'll just choose a normal post. Now whether I want to upload only one photo on a post or if I want to select multiple, then I can tap the select tool option over here, then I can choose multiple pictures over here. Now when I've done that, I can simply tap on the next option after I select multiple pictures. I can make some edits, right, like adding an audio, adding some text, overlays, filters, then I can tap on next. Then when I've done that, I can simply type in a caption of my choice. I can add some audio, I can add and tag some people, I can add a location, I can go to more options and choose to invite collaborators, share this to my story and also my Facebook. This way I can post on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.